how to catch a bobbin thread. Make sure the power supply is off to the sewing machine. Then if your sewing presser foot is down, you gotta lift it up. So you raise the presser foot and then turn the wheel towards you until the needle is in its highest position. So mine already is. And then the next step is to open, slide the plate and remove the empty bobbin. So slide open, remove the empty bobbin, lift it up. I've got my bobbin with the blue thread, undo about 10 centimeters or 4 inches of the thread out. Place the bobbin in with the tail, the thread tail hanging on the left side of the bobbin. Put that in, hold it with your finger, and then guide the thread into the notch and then down the slot to the left and guide around it into the second notch. So once you have that, leave it to the back, close the plate. You can even see it. I'm gonna show you how. Contrast threads, you can see it better. So the green comes all around while I'm turning the wheel manually, and it pulls the thread up. All I gotta do now is to pull the green thread up to catch the bobbin thread. So pull on it, and that's it. Here it is. I got it. Okay? And those two go under the foot. And now it's safe to start sewing. That's it. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe, share it, and come back to my channel for more content. Until next time, bye-bye.